In this session, I will explain question number 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 3.2. But before that, I will give you some formulas which will play a very important role in this exercise. Fine. So the first formula you have already learned, that is, just a minute. Sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. So we have studied this. So the formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree, and n stands for number of sides. Okay, I hope all of you remember this formula. Now, if I have to find out each interior angle, not sum of all the interior angles, but each interior angle, so what we have to do? Each interior angle of any polygon, regular polygon, of any regular polygon, you should mention this word, of any regular polygon. It has to be regular polygon. Why I am saying regular polygon, students? Because in regular polygon, all the sides and all the angles are equal. So if I have to find out each interior angle of any regular polygon, then what we have to do? N minus 2 into 180 degree. This whole formula will be divided by n. Okay, understood? So this is how you will get the value of each interior angle of any polygon, that is triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, anything. Now let's move on to the third formula. Now, how to get the value of each exterior angle? Each exterior angle. Now, each exterior angle, we have two formulas for each exterior angle. One is 180 degree minus each interior angle. Okay, now why 180? Let me just explain you. See this figure properly. Now suppose in triangle, you already know this angle. This is one of the triangle. This is one of the angle of a triangle. That is each interior angle. Now suppose if I have to find out this angle. So this is one of the exterior angle, because there are three exterior angles, isn't it? So I am getting the value of each exterior angle. So when each interior angle you know, and you have to find out the value of each exterior angle, what do you have to do? So these are the linear pairs. So to get this red mark angle, what you have to do? You have to subtract this black part from 180 degree. We have learned this is a linear pair, as because the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree, isn't it? So to get the value of A, suppose this is A and this is B. To get the value of A, what you have to do? I have to subtract B from 180 degree. So this is what I have done. See, each exterior angle, so this A represents each exterior angle and B represents each interior angle. So to get the value of each exterior angle, what I am doing? I am subtracting B, that is each interior angle, from 180 degree. Understood? This is how 180 degree concept is coming. Now let's move on to the second formula of each exterior angle. Each exterior angle. Now what if you suppose in the question it is given number of sides? Fine. So in that way it would be sum of exterior angle by number of sides. This is another formula. This could be written as sum of exterior angles for any polygon. We discussed in my previous video also that it would be 360 degree, and number of sides is considered as n. So this is the formula, students. If suppose number of sides is given and you have to find out each exterior angle, so you will use this formula. You will divide 360 by the number of sides which is given for a regular polygon. Okay. Now the fifth formula. Now suppose if each exterior angle is mentioned, if each exterior angle is given and you have to find out number of sides. So in that case, what will be the formula? See, carefully observe this. This formula is all about each exterior angle equals to C 60 by number of sides. It is when number of sides is given. So it is how you get the value of each exterior angle. But suppose if in the question it is given each exterior angle and you have to find out number of sides. So what do you have to do? Number of sides would be equals to 360 by each exterior angle. So we have just transposed these two values. We have taken this n here and we have taken each exterior angle in the place of. So this is the formula of number of sides when each exterior angle is given. I hope you have understood all the formulas. Now we are in the position to do sum number 2, 3 and 4. So let's start. In question number 2, number of sides of a regular polygon is given, that is 9 sides, and what you have to find out? You have to find the measure of each exterior angle. So we have already discussed in the formula that if number of sides is given of a regular polygon, then how to get the value of each exterior angle? Students, the formula would be each exterior angle would be equals to 360 degree by 9, isn't it? Write the formula first. Okay, then 9 sides is given, so you can write each exterior angle of nonagon also you can write. Nonagon, because 9 sides, what is the name of a polygon with 9 sides? Nonagon. Fine, that is 360 by n, that would be 360 by 9. So answer would be what? 360 by 9, answer would be 360, 40 degree. 40 degree. Answer is 40 degree. Now let's do sum number 2 of question number 2. 15 sides is given. So again we'll use the same formula. So each exterior angle would be equals to what? 360 by n, and this time n is 15. So in place of n we'll write 15, and if we reduce it we'll get the answer as 24 degree. That means each exterior angle is equals to 24 degree. Fine. So this is the solution of question number 2, students. Now let's move on to sum number 3. So sum number 3 we have, how many sides does a regular polygon have? So what we have to find? N. That is how many number of sides. So n represents number of sides only. So this time we have to find the value of n if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degrees. So that is each exterior angle is given in the question. Each exterior angle is given, that is 24 degree. Now how to get the value of n? Remember the fifth formula, students, that is n is equals to 360 degree by each exterior angle. Fine. So that would be 360 by 24 degree. Now if you reduce it, so that would be 180 degree, 12 degree, 90, 6, 30, 3 30s are, 3 2s are, and 2 15s are. So what is your answer then? Your answer would be 15. So the value of n is 15. Okay, very easy. If you know the formula, students, the questions are nothing. Fine, very simple. Now let's move on to question number 4. In question number 4, we have how many sides? Again, how many sides? That means again we have to find out n. Again we have to find out n. And does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle, now this time each interior angle is given. Each interior angle is given what? 165 degree. Not exterior angle, students, because according to the formula number of sides is equals to what? 360 by each exterior angle, but here it is given each interior angle. So to get the value of number of sides, you have to first find it out what? Each exterior angle. So there was one formula each exterior angle is equals to what? 180 minus each interior angle, isn't it? Each interior angle. So this was the formula. So 180, what is the measure of each interior angle? 165. So answer would be what? 15 degree. Now you know the value of each exterior angle, which is as 15 degree. Now n would be equals to 360 by each exterior angle. Now just put the value of each exterior angle, that is 360 degree by 15 degree. Now if you reduce this, you will get the answer as 24. Okay, so how to reduce it? Reduce it with 3, 125. If you divide 120 by 5, you will get the answer as 24. So number of sides is equals to 24. Okay students, so that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you all and stay blessed.